So today we are going with the 361 for problem. Today is 17 June. So this is the problem of the day problem. So yeah, we try to attempt the same problem with the previous day's problem solution. So we are able to solve with the we are able to basically complete few of the test cases with this. Uh, but the problem is it is the constraint which is given as the length is 10 cross 5. It is providing the memory limit exceed. So we need to do some changes here. So what I understand from the problem statement and the hint is that track the length. We don't have to make the string because the memory time limit is getting exceeded. So we just have to track the length and then backtrack the whole process. So there are two things here for to solve this problem. First, we need to check what is the length, total length which we can achieve with the when we are going to make the string. So this will, as soon as we hit the any character, lowercase character, then we have to increment the length. If we are hitting the removing the length, then we are decrementing the length. If you're going with the it's just basically doubling the length, and it does not affect anything on the length. Yeah, so let me check how many length we can achieve with this. So yeah, and if the length is greater than x plus 1 length of this, then we need to return the point because it's not, we are not able to, it's getting out of hand from the length perspective. If we talk about, suppose the length is making of 5 and the kth point is 6th, so how can we resolve this? This is no, there is no way we can resolve it. Or suppose it is given as 5th and we only have the length of 5th, then we can't give it to them. So that's the reason we are going with this. So yeah, now for the backward part, we can use same int j is equal to length, length minus 1. J should be greater than is equal to 0. J plus plus. Yeah. Okay. So this is the return statement. Now we need to find the char. So char will be s dot char at j if c equal to, suppose c equal to uh, we go with first this one. There are multiple things can happen. uh, Suppose it's just it we start with star. Suppose it's a star, character as a star, then what happened? The we are basically backwarding backwarding the whole process. So if it is star, length can be, it is increment the oh sorry, it decrement the length. So here it increment the length, k will not be changed, there is no change in k. Okay, else if suppose a character will be now hash, then if character will be hash, then it increment the length. Also we need to check uh, it increment the length, so we need to decrement the length. We need to decrement the length. Okay, it also affect the k. Which way k is now? Suppose ct hash, sorry, a b c d again. So it can k can be present here and here. So we need to check which way the k is present. So suppose if k plus 1 is greater than this 1 divided by 2, if k is present in the other half, basically k is more than the half, it's present in the more than the half portion, then we also need to update the k. It should be k minus length divided by 2. We decrement the length, suppose it's present here in the c part, so if we decrement that, it comes here. So in the original length, it basically original indexing can be used. So now length is also getting half. Okay, and if what is other than that, okay, reverse, and if character is reverse, length will be the same, k will be changed into kl minus 1 minus k, because it is getting reversed, the indexing get reversed. Else other than that, star hash, other than that, if we found any character, and if k plus 1 length, if the length of that particular digit is equal to the number of character which is required, then we can return C. Otherwise we need to decrement the length. Okay, what is this? Okay, no. Hmm. So what is the issue? Okay, length multiplied by 2, it's not like that. Okay, length is getting negative. what is the start will do? Remove the last character. Okay, duplicate the current character. Okay, we take length. Okay, okay. Other than that, it should be if C is star, then length will be increment else hash decrement. Why it is coming as why it is coming as this? Okay, let me check. So any character it is simple. Let me check. So we get length as 2. Why? Length is 0. Suppose A comes up, so it will increase in the length at 1. Then hash comes up, it increment the length as 2. Correct? Yes. So A correct. And then B comes up. So B correct. Length is 3. Star hash comes up. BAA, but it did not return anything. It did not change. Then star. Yeah, B correct too. Okay, so it will not run. Okay, in J is equal to length is equal to length minus 1. Minus 1 correct. So C is equal to character J. Character J is equal to star. So star is length plus plus 3. 3. Then hash 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 1. K is equal to 1. 0 1, then b. So length will be 0. Okay. Yeah, so the problem is, I guess this is the problem. It always makes true. It does not reduce. It should be this. So condition will be seems like this one. Yeah. If k plus 1 the length of the whatever that is greater than this, then it should return. Yeah. So this is the code.